Good morning to all of you. While allowing the quash petition filed by Annamulla Aruna Deepika in the case of Deepika versus State of Andhra Pradesh 2021 in criminal petition number 3838 by 2021 on 12/7/2021, the AP High Court held that concubine or girlfriend cannot be relatives as envisaged under section 498A of the Indian Penal Code. So therefore they allowed the quash petition. While disposing this petition, single judge Justice Chikati Manavendra Roy, he held that according to section 498A IPC, if a woman is subjected to cruelty or harassment by husband or relatives of the husband, then they are liable for punishment under section 498A. Here, the concubine or the girlfriend, they cannot come under the so-called relationship. So they cannot be relatives. Just she is a girlfriend or she is a concubine. So you can go for 494, or at least you can take permission from the court under section 497. Of course, you may be knowing section 497 is decriminalized. It is difficult. You can go for only civil case. So this is the problem here. Now, if you go into the crux of the case, that is problem of the case, this is relating to crime number 118 by 2021, registered under sections 498A IPC, read with 114, that is abatement IPC of Disha Mahila Police Station, Nellore. So in this case, the complainant, K. Sunita, she alleged that her husband as well as the appellant, that is the petitioner here, Deepika, so they have colluded. Her husband has got illicit relations with this woman and both of them harassed her, due to which she was subjected to cruelty and harassment and she was driven away from the house. Therefore, she wanted to take action against both the persons, that is husband and this woman. Of course, the police, they have to do their duty. So they, under the impression that the woman, that is the petitioner Deepika, abated the harassment of the husband of the Sunita, then they added her under section 114 of the Indian Penal Code. Now she has approached the Honorable High Court of Andhra Pradesh. So reliance was placed on a precedent, that is previously detailed case U. Suveda versus State, U. Suveta, Suveta versus State 2009. You can see it in the volume number 6, SCC 757. So in this case, the Honorable Supreme Court of India held that the persons who can be involved in 498A should be the relatives only and not the concubine or the girlfriend of the accused. Here, the allegation is that this husband has got illicit relation with the so-called petitioner, that is Deepika, and both of them colluded and they harassed the complainant in that case, that is Sunita. But when the matter has come for legal scrutiny, the Honorable Court has clearly stated that she cannot be a relative. So either you have to, and therefore 114 cannot be attracted. Of course, here, basing on these reasons, the Honorable High Court has stayed, actually under using their powers under section 482 CRPC. So actually, we call it as a quash petition, but they have stayed the investigation. Stayed against only the so-called Deepika. The High Court has clearly stated that no coercive steps should be taken against her. But of course, the investigation should be proceeded with. The police are competent, the police are advised to continue the investigation because the harassment part is there, whether husband harassed her, whether husband showed cruelty towards her, whether it is a mental harassment, whether it is a physical harassment or harassment for additional dowry, all these things they have to evaluate. Till such time, so the police are advised not to take coercive steps against the woman. Of course, anyway, she has got a relief. But here the problem is, normally you may be knowing, police will be confronted with the public interest. Here, if the complainant, that Sunita, comes and says, Your Honor, sir, my husband has got illicit relations with the woman, both of them are harassing me, what they have to do? Definitely, when I contacted DSP Disha Nellore, he stated the same facts. Mr. Nagaraj, he said, sir, this is the question, what to do? 497, decriminalized. 494, there is no evidence. Actually, the second marriage. So, for proving the second marriage, all the rituals like 7 steps, Agni, the tying of sutra, all these things should be there. And photos should be there. Will they be available? Normally, if a person goes to a second marriage without the knowledge of the first wife, he will not allow all these things. So how to involve them? That of course police have the difficulty. But as legal advisors, as law students, you have to know that so according to section 498A, the husband or relatives of the husband will only come under the purview of 498A and not the concubine or the girlfriend. Good judgment, please read it and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you very much.